right open source LLM isn't easy. Two of the biggest contenders today, DeepSeek R1 and Llama 3.1, offer very different strengths. So, which one should you use? Let's break it down. DeepSeek R1 is built for reasoning. Llama 3.1 is built for versatility, and that difference changes everything. DeepSeek R1 uses a mixture of experts architecture with 671 billion parameters, but only a fraction active at a time. It's optimized for logic, math, and step-by-step thinking. Llama 3.1, on the other hand, is a dense transformer model designed for general-purpose language tasks. If your work involves complex reasoning, mathematics code generation, multi-step problem solving, DeepSeek R1 usually performs better. It's specifically trained using reinforcement learning to improve reasoning accuracy. But if your use case is content generation, chatbots, summarization, general Q&A, Llama 3.1 often delivers smoother, more natural responses. Llama 3.1 also supports large context windows up to 128K tokens, making it better for long documents and enterprise workflows. It's also easier to deploy, available across AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and more. DeepSeek R1 can be more cost-efficient for high-performance reasoning tasks thanks to its mixture of experts design that activates fewer parameters per query. But Llama 3.1 offers more flexible pricing depending on the model size, from lightweight 8B models to large-scale deployments. In benchmarks, DeepSeek R1 often leads in math and reasoning tasks, while Llama-based models remain highly competitive in general knowledge and instruction following. In benchmarks, DeepSeek R1 often leads in math and reasoning tasks, while Llama-based models remain highly competitive in general knowledge and instruction following. Here's how teams typically use them. DeepSeek R1 for advanced analytics, AI agents, research and reasoning heavy tasks, complex RAG systems. Llama 3.1 for chatbots, content generation, customer support, automation, enterprise AI apps. So which one should you choose? Pick DeepSeek R1. If you need strong reasoning, you're solving complex problems, accuracy matters more than speed. Pick Llama 3.1 if you need versatility, you're building user-facing apps, you want easier deployment and scaling. At the end of the day, it's not about which model is better. It's about which model fits your use case. Want to deploy LLMs like DeepSeek or Llama on powerful GPU infrastructure? Visit Cyfuture.ai, email sales@cyfuture.ai, or call 0120 6619504. To get started today,